Hey everyone, welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke and a big follower shout out. Let's get started.
Singable Words.
The word is
Abridge.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
A bridge is to shorten a piece of its writing, but not to lose its meaning. It doesn't mean to lengthen or expand.
But wait! Here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Cut, abbreviate, shrink.
Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Expand, increase, stretch.
Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the book want to abridge its story? Because it was tired of being so long. Now let's use it in a sentence.
The teacher asked you to abridge this paragraph to make it shorter.
Now let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
She teaches us stuff, and I'm only in first grade with Maddie. And I'm learning fourth grade stuff, and I want to be Miss Katerina because I want to be on YouTube and I want to teach people stuff. Singable Words.